Welcome. In front of me is a REALME P3, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, we're gonna swipe down from the top of our screen twice, which will bring down our toggles, and here just look for the hotspot toggle. For me, it is on the second page right over here. Once you see it first time around, I recommend holding it. This will quickly take you to the settings, and in here select hotspot settings, and automatically it selects the password, which is good. Now this is a randomly generated one, so I just recommend getting rid of it and then setting up your own new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. That can be letters and numbers, doesn't really matter. Next, click on save, which obviously changes the password, and we can close this, find the toggle once more, and this time around just simply tap on it to enable it whenever you want to use it. Once you're done using it, you can tap on this toggle once more to turn it off, as hotspot will consume more of your phone's battery, so when you're not using it, there is really no reason for it to be running in the background. Now with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.